close to bus line, amenities and multiple parks. This 3-bedroom 2-bath 1,512 square foot manufactured home has a split floor plan west bonus room office, open concept main living area into dining area and kitchen west/eat-in space, large master suite west double entry doors into bedroom and bathroom west oversized shower and seating, walk-in closet. Home had fresh paint, new flooring and LED lighting. Fully fenced rear yard, garden space and RV parking west hookups, covered patio off back of 2-car garage.